Ripples Asia is a B2B marketplace for sourcing games, peripherals, and toys. It makes merchants and customers happy by making it easy to deal and manage orders at scale. Browse games, accessories, and toys easily by clicking on the Category tab. Ordering items is easy and straightforward. Just select the items and the quantity you want to buy, review your selection in the shopping cart, and confirm your order. Ripples is not just a place to find games, it is also a place to collaborate with your suppliers. When ordering games, you and the merchant can communicate through our negotiation room to arrive on a deal you are both happy with. Ripples also helps you to track the status of your order, from placing your order all the way to confirming delivery and finalizing payment. Forget what you ordered in the past? We keep all the transactions so you don't have to guess. Most importantly, you don't have to worry about who you're dealing with. All customers and merchants are verified by our team to be legitimate and credible businesses.
Sounds great? Sign up for a free customer account today.